Hello guys, in this video I'm painting very loose watercolor vase with sunflower and I'm using very intuitive style of painting. Please enjoy the creative process and ask any questions below this video. I will highlight most important details in this process. I'm using a Chinese calligraphy brush to create this painting. I'm starting with darker hues such as red, burnt sienna, and dark brown to loosely dab the center of the sunflowers. I'm letting the colors mix naturally on the paper for a soft blended effect. I'm using yellow, orangey, and reddish tones and loosely paint the petals of the sunflowers, allowing the watercolor bleed and flow naturally. I'm not worrying about the precision, I'm just focusing on creating soft organic shapes with intuitive strokes. Subscribe to my channel and join my live streams with daily watercolors and oil and pasta. You can learn so much from my live streams, participate in our fun chat, and ask any questions. I'm using the ultramarine blue and creating a rough silhouette of the vase around the flowers. And it makes a big difference when I add complementary yellow into my blue. I'm adding leaves and stems using quick, loose brush strokes. I like to add spontaneous splatters during my entire process to create extra textures. You can see me, I don't paint just specific element, I move around my entire artwork. To speed up the drying process, you can always use hair dryer. Adding more red tones around the centers of the flowers. You can see how I'm gradually building values around my flowers from lighter to darker. I'm adding more contrast around the painting, but still keeping the loose style. And you can see how the flowers starting to pop up. Now with my darkest green, I'm adding final touches into my leaves. With the ultramarine blue, I'm building more details in the vase. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.